A lifetime warranty on a shower head? When someone is this confident with their product, they could make it happen. Look how easy it is to install this. I just screw it on to the pipe and I am done. This is a filtered shower head by Afina, and some of the benefits include improved skin, healthier hair, and the filter is tested to NSF standards. Have a listen to how powerful this is. Includes the filter, the plumber's tape, and even a wrench by Afina. And I was serious about that lifetime warranty. Oh, and you're also getting a $50 gift in the package. Click that link down below and get yours today.